Hey, I'm Robert Renman. In today's 2-minute lesson, you're going to learn a jazz blues lick in the style of Charlie Parker. And if you listen to him, you'll notice that he often played some kind of variation on this lick. So I'm playing this over a jazz blues in the key of G. And the lick spans the first 3 bars. And they happen over a G dominant chord. So the first note is the 5th, and then the root note. And then we're going to go chromatically from the 2nd to the 5th. And then I'll play. And after that. And the last lick. So pay attention that we have the G major triad right here. And most of this lick is centered around that. We just throw in some chromatic notes. And then we finish on the minor 7th note. And I changed the fingering just because it's easier. That's the same as playing, which is really difficult. So instead I play. If you like this lesson, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'll see you next time.